Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, come back with me, Alvin Zaidan, and today I will teach you guys um, about static root, about a dynamic root and dynamic root, and what kind of dynamic root that we will learn today is about OSPF. Oh yeah, I forgot. In this video, I do collaboration with my friend Brian. For his YouTube channel, I will be put the link at my description. Okay, let's start. First is the topology that we use. I will be the router one, and I will be the client of router one too. After that, okay, let's start the project. So first, we need to connect our laptop to the router. So connect it with cable Ethernet, and after that, you can open your Winbox, and in here you can see the neighbor, and of that is the router. You can access it. And here the first that we want to do is rename the router. So go to the system and identity. After that you can type like router one. Click OK. You can see up here this change before it's unlocks, and now change to router one. And after that we will go to the next step. We'll make an address list, an IP address. So click go to the IP address, this address. After that you can click add, and now we will make two address. The topology. First one is 10.10.10 and 0. This the IP for we can connect the router to, and second is IP 192.168 and 1/24 is the IP, so the setup can connect to the router. Okay, now we will make for the first IP 10 and 1/24 is I will put this in Ethernet to 5. Okay, you can click off copy. Okay, now we will make the second IP for the client, which will be 192.168 and 1/24. Don't forget. And for Ethernet, it will be Ethernet 2. Oh, sorry, this use Ethernet 3 by A by okay. Okay, now because this the we will make a nice path, so we need one more IP for the root ID. So we'll make a root ID, and root ID will be 1.1.1.1. There's no prefix because we only need one IP address. And for the interface, we will be use the interface that we not using. So I will be use Waterfall for the interface. Bye and okay. Okay, now I will make the OSPF configuration. First, go to routing, go to the OSPF, this one. Now in here, go to the intents. This before I make it. So after you go to the intent, you can click add, and for name you can not you can rename it up to you. And for the register ID that we make before is 1.1.1.1. This click apply and okay. There's our register ID and OSPF. And after that, we will go to the network tab, click plus, and in here we will be insert an IP that all in this topology. So we'll we will insert the client of router 2 IP, this IP that connect router 1 and router 2, after that the client IP of router 1. Okay, I will like 3. 74 is the first IP, after that I will make the second IP. It's the second IP, the IP client of router 2, and then I will make the other one is the IP of client of router 1. And don't forget, you have to make an IP for your user too. Is fine, okay. Okay, now all configuration at router 1 is already finished. So now we'll go to the router 2 to continue configuration. Okay, now we'll continue with my friend Brian. Thank you guys.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In here I am as to now here I will make a video which is about OSPF. Directly you can open the menu IP first. Right. IP laptop tertu. Oke, apply copy. Nah, this and IP ID terempat tuh titik tuh. Oke, oke. IP address, IP router 3 n titik n. Oke, oke. Start this. You can open the menu routing OSPF. Nah, start this. Wait. Okay, start this. You to instances. After this you ID Facebook ID tuh titik tuh play. Oke, nah after this you can to menu network intrusion network you klik. Nah you can to you play. Zero. Nah, play. Copy again. IP. Okay. After this, you can to take care of apply. Play, copy, and IP router slash okay. Play again, copy IP ID ID titik titik. Now you can click play and okay. Okay, video router 1 and router 2 finish. And then thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye guys.